Hello guys, this is Crypto Dutchie and welcome to a update video of our trading journey. And we have a lot of things to discuss because a lot of things went on the past 2 days. And we have to change something with the paper trading account because this account of the paper trading account of TradingView is very bad. It works very terrible because it cancels orders after a week. So I need to keep putting the orders in after a week, and I'm not going to do that, of course, the whole time. That's bullshit. And I think some of them were cancelled just right now. Yeah, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orders were cancelled right now, which is absolutely terrible. And I am already working on a new account on Interactive Brokers. I don't know if that's a good one, but we will see. Yeah, so let's first talk about what happened 3 hours ago when the market opened in America. You can see it over here. And this is not a joke. We got $2,140 profit with and this one as well for our 2 open standing limit cells. And I will go to that chart right now. So let's go to AMC. I already got it away from this list, but yeah, look at this, guys. We entered over here. What was it? AMC 2.17, which is over here. We hit our first target over here when the market opened here. We had a target set, a limit sell order at 5.98 and 9.98. But what happened? The market opened at 20.34. And that means that our both trades that we had left were executed over there. And you can see what the result is. And this is not a joke. This is just how it works in real trading as well. So can you believe it? We have 800% on our last 2 targets. And this just happened. It happened. It's up 217% AMC. And it was up more than 300%, I think. Almost 300%. Unbelievable. So what I'm going to do is put this in my account here. So they were both closed at a price of 20.3. Let's change this. Look at this. Oh wait, I did it wrong. I did 30.3. It needs to be 20.3. And that's the result when a pump happens in the stock market. So don't go to me, and Bitcoin is volatile. No. Stocks are volatile. Bitcoin cannot do this. Okay. And that also means that our profit from this trade is 4,844. It is this plus this plus this plus this minus our initial 1,000. So we got 4.8 mil profit on the AMC trade here. And that's not a joke, it's just true. And that is why our account right now is at 14.9. And we started with 10,000. So we just earned more than $4,000 or euro, whatever you want to be your currency, in one day. I mean, it can also go the other way around. If you have your stop loss over here, and it gaps down and it opens at 0.63, then you lose a lot of money. But when you are buying something very low, then you can only get better pumps than better dumps. So this is absolutely amazing. I think that was the only thing that was triggered. Oh no, we also have our first target on MDLA. Did I already got that in? Yeah, that was already done. So that one is still going. So yeah, now I am at this juncture. Should I just close my paper trading account here and start over on, where is it? My interactive brokers account. I mean, I am doing some testing here. This is the online part of it. You can also open your a program where you can put in all the orders. But I don't know. We have to go away from TradingView, because TradingView we need to keep opening the orders here all the time. So you know what? I'm just gonna do it right now. I'm done with this this paper trading account over here. It's not working. It cancels the orders after a week, and we cannot let that happen. So I'm gonna cancel all the things that I think are not gonna go well anytime soon. Well, this is going the right way. Maybe we should wait for the first targets to hit. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So it will be a bit slow, and here, look at blue. All the orders are gone. All the orders are gone on blue. And I don't want to get out of these trades, because look at Kodak here, up 34%. It's getting close to my first targets. And VXRT as well. So I guess I'm going to keep using this until we hit most of the targets. Then I will close this paper trading account. So for now I'm going to put them in over and over and over. And then I think I'm going to go to the other account on Interactive Brokers. They have a paper trading account, and then we go over there, because this is super annoying, right? That's no fun at all. So yeah, that was it for this video. Huge profits. Absolutely crazy. Most of our positions are doing okay. We have only 2 in the red right now. Most of them are up more than 100. And we have an equity of $15,850. And we will see how this will go. I guess I will let them open for now, and fill in all the orders again and again and again until they get hit. And when I have like 5 or 4 trades open, I will cancel it, and we start over with the account balance I will have at that point on the new account of Interactive Brokers here. You can also use their program, but that's a very complicated program. So maybe I will do it, maybe I won't. But we will see, guys. So thanks for watching. And yeah, let's hope that we are going to get some targets soon, so that we can go to the other platform, because filling in these orders all the time is just a no-go for me. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.